I got a couple of comments on how I hang up my deer, some questions on how I hang up my deer, and noticing the fact that I actually use a couple little ropes, wondering what kind of knots I use. If you noticed, if you watched my video on how to process out your own deer, you notice that I don't do like everybody else I've ever seen. I don't cut through that skin and hang it on that hamstring. There's a couple reasons why I don't do that. One, I like to go ahead and have the deer secured to where I can skin out past this shank and not have any hair to mess with. I don't like having the metal of the gambrel kind of in the way and possibly hitting my blade up against it and nicking it. Also, when it comes to the point of boning out this shank, I don't have to worry about the point when you have to cut that hamstring to free up that piece of meat. I don't have to worry about the deer flopping around or possibly coming loose from my gambrel and hitting the ground. So all I do is I've got a little short piece, I don't know, 1.5 feet or so of diamond braided rope. You can get real inexpensive rolls of this at a lot of stores. I just go ahead and tie myself an overhand knot on one end so that it's one continuous loop. That way I can go ahead and take it right here and I do a lark's head. Okay? Show you that again. Have my fingers right here, rotate them down, and I do a little lark's head loop. I'm going to pass it over the deer's foot. I'm going to get it right like that. And I'm going to go ahead and hook it onto the gambrel. Now watch out for falling limbs. I'm going to hook it on the gambrel, okay? And that knuckle right there is going to hold that knot. And the tighter it's pulled, the tighter that rope's going to get, where that rope's not going to slip off, okay? So I'm just going to do that again. Simple little lark's head. Put it down here on the deer's leg, cinch it tight. And if you'll notice, it's also a little bit easier than having to try to fumble around to get that gambrel to slide in here and to catch. So that's how I hang my deer, so I can go ahead and skin it out and process it out. All right guys, hope that helps. Good hunting to you.